Welcome to All Ages Fitness channel, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. Do you ever wake up feeling stiff, spend long hours sitting at a desk, or notice your body just doesn't move as easily as it used to? The good news is that your body doesn't need an intense workout. It often just needs better movement. Today's 10-minute body reset is designed to loosen tight muscles, improve joint mobility, increase circulation, and help you move comfortably throughout your day. This routine is perfect for beginners, adults, seniors, and anyone who wants to feel younger, more flexible, and more energized. Move slowly. Stay within a comfortable range of motion and never force any movement. Let's reset your body together. March in place, 45 seconds. Stand tall, relax your shoulders. Begin marching gently. Swing your arms naturally. Take slow, deep breaths. Allow your body temperature to rise gradually. This simple movement increases circulation and prepares every joint for the exercises ahead. Main body reset. Number 1, cat-cow stretch. 10 to 12 slow repetitions. Move onto your hands and knees. Place your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Your knees should be underneath your hips. Slowly round your back toward the ceiling. Gently tuck your chin toward your chest. Pull your belly button inward. Pause briefly. Slowly lower your belly. Lift your chest. Look slightly upward without straining your neck. Continue flowing smoothly between both positions. Move with your breathing. Inhale as you lower your belly. Exhale as you round your back. This exercise gently mobilizes your entire spine. It relieves stiffness in the neck, upper back, and lower back while improving posture and helping your spine move more freely. Number 2, modified world's greatest stretch. 5 slow repetitions per side. Hold each rotation for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 1 foot forward into a comfortable lunge. Keep your back leg extended. Place both hands on the inside of your front foot. If reaching the floor feels difficult, place your hands on your thigh or use a sturdy chair for support. Now slowly rotate your upper body toward your front leg. Reach one arm toward the ceiling. Look toward your raised hand if comfortable. Pause briefly. Return to the starting position. Repeat several times before switching sides. This stretch improves hip mobility, opens the chest, lengthens the hamstrings, mobilizes the ankles, and restores rotation through your upper back. It's one of the most effective full-body mobility movements you can perform. Number 3, standing hip circles plus leg swings. Stand beside a wall or chair if needed. Hip circles, 10 circles each direction. Place your hands on your hips. Slowly draw large circles with your hips. Then reverse the direction. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Leg swing. 10 front to back swings per leg. 10 side to side swings per leg. Hold on to support. Swing one leg gently forward and backward. Allow the movement to come from the hip. Keep your upper body tall. Switch legs. Then perform side to side swings. Healthy hips support nearly every daily movement. These exercises lubricate the hip joints, improve flexibility, increase balance, and reduce unnecessary strain on your knees and lower back. Number 4, open book thoracic rotation. 8 to 10 repetitions per side. Hold the open position for 2 to 3 seconds. Lie on one side. Bend both knees comfortably. Extend both arms straight in front of you with your palms together. Slowly lift your top arm. Open your chest. Rotate your upper body until your arm reaches toward the floor on the opposite side. Follow your moving hand with your eyes. Pause. Return slowly. Repeat before changing sides. This movement restores mobility to your upper back. Better thoracic mobility helps reduce neck tension, improve shoulder movement, encourage deeper breathing, and support better posture. Number 5. Standing reach and squat flow. 12 to 15 slow repetitions. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Reach both arms overhead. Lengthen through your entire body. Now slowly lower into a comfortable squat. Keep your chest lifted. Press through your heels to stand. Reach overhead again. Continue flowing smoothly. If squatting is difficult, perform a partial squat or sit down onto a chair and stand back up. This movement combines mobility with gentle strength. It improves flexibility through the ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, and spine while reinforcing natural movement patterns used every day. Cool down. Stand comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath in while reaching overhead. Exhale as you lower your arms. Roll your shoulders backwards several times. Gently turn your head left and right. Finish by taking 3 slow, deep breaths. Notice how much lighter and freer your body feels. Excellent work! In just 10 minutes, you've improved your mobility, loosened stiff joints, and prepare your body for a healthier, more active day. Remember, mobility isn't about forcing your body into extreme positions. It's about moving comfortably and consistently. The more often you practice these movements, the easier everyday activities like walking, bending, reaching, climbing stairs, and getting up from a chair will become. If you found this routine helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel. Share this video with a friend or family member who could use a daily body reset. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you at the next workout.